It's time to check out Whiskey Dream navigation lights are working. In the past, the mast came down every year and a mess of wires had to be disconnected and reconnected each year. We don't do a lot of nighttime sailing, but it's nice to know that we can be seen when needed. A boat of our size, 32 feet, needs 4 navigation lights. Lights when the boat is moving, bow running lights, stern light, steaming light. Lights when the boat is at anchor, and anchor light. Bow lights are supposed to be visible from the front of the boat when the boat's moving. Red on the port side, green on the starboard side. The red and green colors align with their stop and go. Paraphrasing the collision regulations, if another boat sees the red light, it must give way to that boat with the red light. The switch on the power panel is labeled running lights. Our bow lights are mounted directly on the bow pulpit. Yes, red and green as expected. The stern light is supposed to be visible from, of course, the stern or rear of the boat. Our stern light is mounted on the stern rail. The switch on the power panel, labeled running lights, also runs the stern lights. Working as expected. A steaming light is supposed to shine forward from the mast when the boat is under power. Our steaming light is mounted on the top of the mast. At first not working, but reconnecting the wires and it works as expected. The switch on the power panel is labeled steaming lights. The anchor light is supposed to shine all around when the boat is anchored in an area where other vessels navigate. Ours is part of the same fixture as the masthead steaming light. After reconnecting the wires, it works as expected. The switch on the power panel is labeled anchor lights. All seems to be in order now, ready for a nighttime sail.